A user in QuickBooks is anyone in your company that needs to enter transactions or view information. To set up a user, click the gear icon and then click Manage Users. Each company can have up to 5 users. Click Add User. There are 4 different types of users in QuickBooks. Let's review them briefly. First is the standard user. This person can be customized based on the permission that you'd like to give. Next is the company admin. This user has access to all parts of QuickBooks and can enter any data. The other 2 users are reports only and time tracking only. These users only have access to reports or time tracking. Let's choose Standard User and then click Next. From here, we can choose which rights and permissions to provide to the user. Select Limited, and then in this example, select Customers. On the right-hand side, you can review what this user can do with the green check marks and what they can't do with the red X's. After confirming that they have the right permissions, click Next. In this section, QuickBooks asks you if you'd like to give this user rights to the company file. Things like adding or editing other users, changing the company information, and managing your subscription. These are preset to no, and we'll leave them as is. And then we'll click Next. Finally, we'll enter the first and last name of the user and their email address. After entering the contact information, we click Save in the bottom right, and QuickBooks sends them an invitation. After their acceptance of the invitation, they're automatically set up in QuickBooks.